Now let us discuss about elimination of left factoring. A grammar has left factoring if a production is of the form A produces alpha beta 1 or alpha beta 2. Here alpha is common symbols in both the productions. So on gamma 1 or gamma 2. So in order to eliminate the left factoring, replace these productions by A produces alpha, that common symbol A dash, or gamma 1, gamma 2, where A dash produces after alpha, here we have beta 1, here we have beta 2, beta 1, beta 2, so on. Let us solve these two examples. Let us see the common symbols here. IETS is common in both the productions. So this is nothing but alpha. Beta 1 means epsilon. Why? Because epsilon into any string is that any string only. Whereas beta 2 is ES, gamma 1 is A. So replace these productions by A produces. Here what is A? S produces alpha. Here what is alpha? IETS. A dash. A dash means S dash. Gamma 1. Here what is gamma 1? Separate terms. A. Gamma 2 is not there. Where A dash implies. A dash means S dash implies beta 1 or beta 2. What is beta 1? Epsilon. Beta 2 ES. ES. Let's see the second production. Here there is no left factoring. So we can write the production as it is. Now let us solve the second problem. If you see here, in these three productions, A is common. A is common. So what is alpha value? A is alpha value. Whereas beta 1 is AB, beta 2 is A, beta 3 is epsilon. So first we have to identify the common symbols. So replace this by replace this production by A produces. A produces alpha. What is alpha? A is common. A dash. A dash. Gamma 1 is not there. Where A dash implies beta 1. What is beta 1? AB, or what is beta 2? A. What is beta 3? A into epsilon is nothing but A only. Epsilon. Suppose instead of this, if we have only this production, then we can say that AA is common. So now alpha value is A. So according to the productions, we have to solve the problem. If you see here, B is common. So alpha is B value. So replace this production by A produces alpha. What is alpha? B. A dash. So B dash. Gamma is not there. Where B dash produces beta 1. What is beta 1? B, or what is beta 2? Epsilon. So likewise, we can solve any problem very easily.